Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off and disable JavaScript on your Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up Google Chrome and select the menu icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. Now on the left side, select Privacy and Security, and on the right, you want to select Site Settings. Go down and select underneath content versus JavaScript, and then select don't allow sites to use JavaScript. Please note that some websites will not function properly if you disable that, but regardless, just go ahead and select that, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.